Okay, so my mind is still boggling because there are so many things. There are so many things. Whenever I hear Madhura, I think all of you would agree with this. The learnings are different. The takeaways are different. And every time I hear her, every time I listen to her, my mind says, Anu, wake up. Right? So today, if you observe, it was growth mindset, but it was an encyclopedia of a complete transformation in itself. Agree?
Yes.
Agree?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you observe, I'm sure all of you, how many of you are already healers over here? Okay, so quite a few. I think almost 40 to 45% of you are already healers. How many of you have learned 5 healing modalities? 10 healing modalities? 15 healing modalities? 20 healing modalities? Okay, now I would ask, how many healers have you created after learning these many modalities? I see hardly few hands. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now imagine you coming here, being here, out of so many lakhs and lakhs of people. Only these many of you are here. Why? Why?
Chosen ones.
You are the chosen ones. Okay. Why you are the chosen ones? Why you are the chosen one?
I feel that, first of all, there is a universe calling, that I go and help so many lives out there. I help them to overcome stress. I help them to focus more, and I help them to have that work-life balance which they really want in lives today, because of the fast life and the negativity which we are ourselves also building because of the mobile world or screens or so much more. And that's the reason I feel that yes, it is very much indeed necessary that we as healers turn our universe into a beautiful space.
And how you guys are going to take this step forward? The next step is action taking. Action taking of what? Creating healers. Okay, so how are you going to do that? How are you going to do that? What next?
Heal people.
Heal people. Okay, so you already know the strategies? Yes? Okay, so kindly ensure not to stop this journey over here, right? Because this healing path is not for everybody. As most of you rightly said, this is destined to be even before all of you were born, right? It's not easy to be a healer. All of you might have gone through so much of hardship in life. Agree? Is anyone come through a very nice path, happily being here without facing anything at all in life? Is anyone over here? No. Why?
Because life is full of challenges. Keep facing challenges. So we keep coming out of that.
It's always learning.
For me, not for me, it's in general. Life is definitely full of challenges, but it depends from person to person how do we take it as a challenge. That challenge might be very minor for one person, and that challenge might be too harsh for another person. So it depends on my capacity, how can I handle that challenge. So now with Madhura ma'am's guidance, I reached at a stage, the challenge which used to be 100% for me, I'm not saying that I have become divine or I don't get challenges and it doesn't affect me. But I would confidently say I have come out at least 80% of the challenges, not come out of the challenges. I got the capacity to handle those challenges much better than before. So thank you Madhura ma'am for that. Thank you Madhura ma'am for that.
Your name?
I'm Sneha. I'm from Bangalore. And I see her, I make sure I see her every month.
Oh. A blessed one, for sure. right? So seeing your mentor every month and gaining that energy shift, every month is not so easy for everybody, right? Blessed you are for sure.
Sometimes in the morning I sent her a message. Madhura ma'am, are you in the center today? And she says yes. She sends a reply within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes. And I don't know why I go. I just plan and go. Because she's there.
It's not that why you don't know, your subconscious mind knows for sure, right? Yes. The reason I asked you guys so many questions is, yes, you are here as a healer. Yes, you are here to heal yourself, but it is your responsibility. I repeat it again, it's your responsibility to take this step forward. Not just being a healer, you have to ensure to make sure at least you create 100 healers within next 6 months. Right? Yes. I'm sure Madhura is here, right? Not just this 2 days. She also has the major successful stories. Not just 1, 2, 3, 4. I would like to definitely hear the numbers from her.
We have like 10,000 people in our community right now, and a lot of them are successful.
Yes. She also started just like you guys, correct? She also started, as she rightly said, taking one step forward. She ensured that every step becomes a stepping stone towards her journey, right? So she is here today, and I would request all of you to utilize or, to ensure, take each and every golden nuggets she passes on to you, not only now, but also to go ahead and start learning more from her how to be a super healer, right? Not just a healer, to be a Yes. And I'm sure most of you have already, gone through the journey of going ahead and being a super healer by accepting the token of golden nuggets, which is the golden tickets. How many of you here for, yes? How many of you, please raise the hands. Golden tickets? Yes. Super healer. Okay. How many of you are here with the golden ticket? Yes. Okay. Now, how many of you are still thinking whether to go ahead or not? Who have taken silver tickets over here? What stopped you? What stopped you? Please don't give me the reason saying my financial condition was not good. Right? When you are here for silver, when you boarded here, right? You had the expenses of your flight or your train or your bus. Exactly.
Mindset. It's a mindset. If I tell my brain, yes, I can do it, I can just do it.
Yes. Guys, I would request you, right? I would surely use this word, because I am sure you guys are going to thank me later for requesting you. Please do go ahead and think about it and come forward and be here, even for the next journeys along with this. Right? Okay. Now, I know most of you have had your breakfast. Some of you might not have had your breakfast. We would break for the tea? Yes. So we are breaking for the tea. Please don't take much time. It's going to be 10 minutes. Prior to that, do you have any questions for Madhura pertaining to the growth mindset? Specific. Okay, anybody remembers the points? How many points did we learn? 18. Wow. Good students. Golden tickets. I know, the growth mindset. The first point was?
Belief.
Continuous learning. The second point was?
It challenges opportunities.
The third point was? The fourth point was? The fifth point was?
Construction, criticism.
The sixth point was? I could see the power over here. Yes. Seventh point?
Brain
Eighth point?
resilience.
Ninth point?
Self-improvement. Self-improvement. 10th is role of healing in growth.
10th is
Role of healing in growth.
role of healing in growth. The major thing, what I believe, changed me too.
Abundance mindset.
Abundance mindset.
Don't wait for the plan.
Don't wait for the perfection.
No excuses.
No excuses.
Highly productive. Multitasking.
Multitasking.
Balancing emotions.
Balancing?
Yes.
What balancing?
Emotions. Family. Much is not good.
Too much is too bad. Balancing everything, your emotions, your feelings, your yes, your no, your greediness, anything and everything. What was the last one?
Needs to understand what you are doing.
Not everyone needs to understand. The last one is stop complaining. Start. Yes, start healing massively, right? Thank you so much. I am MC for the day, but I am also the trainer. So it always comes to my mind to summarize everything before we go for tea break, right? So that comes from Nitin. I'm so sorry. Any questions?
That's lovely.
Thank you so much, darling. Any questions? No. Okay. So please go ahead, take the tea break and come back. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot. Everyone has the coupon? Yes. The coupon? Please open. Everyone, please show your coupons, the food coupons, what you have. Caution, note, please don't miss it. Right? Without which I will be not able to help you with related to your tea and lunch. Right? So request you to please keep it safely just the way you keep your mobiles. All right? Okay. So please take a break, come back. 10 minutes, quick break. Right? The restroom is on the right hand side and the tea is served right outside. All right? Yes, please. Thank you and please come back as early as possible. Please don't waste the time. We have so much to learn and such an energy shift to go ahead and experience. Thank you so much. Way back 2019, when she was going through a lot, when she was going through so much of stress, the situations, the patterns which were never ending, she met with one of the purpose of her life, mandala art. She got into it. She started learning it. She started learning it so much that she got immersed into it. And then she transformed her life completely, being a person who has been experiencing the patterns again and again in life, taking so much of stress. Now, healing herself, not only towards the healing or the therapy, but also in a creative way. Now, she is a life coach and heals many people with the healing modality, which is such a creative one. That's mandala art. I am very happy to welcome Kirti. Are we going to welcome her like this? I would like you to stand up. Please stand and let's go ahead and welcome our very own Kirti. She's not just a certified life coach or a mandala art expert. She is a guide, a mentor, a catalyst for change. Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause and let's call her on stage. Let her share her own journey to you, right? Guys, please take your bags. There is a worksheet inside your bag. Please check it once. If it is not there, please let us know once. Please check. Yes, that's the one. Right? And there is a black pen too. so that it helps you in going ahead and being creative for the day. Everyone has it? A paper and a pen? A creative paper and a pen? Yeah.
Check whether everyone has got coffee or tea. Hello, Bengaluru. Namma Bengaluru. I'm learning, okay. I am from Pune, Maharashtra, and my name is Kirti, and I am here to have a chit chat with you. So let's have it a very light thing. But yes, it is intense. Why? Because it is magical, like Madhura says. I would like to take this opportunity from this stage to thank you, Madhura, from the bottom of my heart for having me here and for changing so many lives out there. It means so much to the world today. So thank you so much. And let's begin. So how are you doing today? Who all had coffee? Raise your hands. And who all had tea? Okay, who all did not have breakfast in the morning? Okay, arre. I hope you've got some energy to listen to me today. Thank you so much. So, my name is Kirti. I am a Mandala stress relief and life coach. So, I am here to share about the same journey with all of you. Are you ready? Yes. All right, awesome. So, Mandala is magic. And I did not know that when I started. I got to know later, like Anu shared with you. I started my Mandala page in 2019, and since then the journey is still going on. And then I got my life coaching certification also. So today I am doing all those things which really matter to each one of us. So healing tool for mind and soul, that is what we call for Mandala art also. Like we have so many modalities, we have Mandala also as a tool. All right. So let's go next. These are some kind of mandalas which I create, and the remote, how does it work? Okay, thank you. It worked. I was holding it the other way. How many of you have ever felt overwhelmed by stress or limiting beliefs or self-doubts? With me. You all must be also there in the same journey, yes? All right. And how many of you would love to have a simple, powerful tool for your calmness and clarity into your lives? Yes? All of us, all right. Thank you so much. So, I first want to say thanks to each one of you sitting here, every one of you, right from Darsh till Madhura's sister, Krupa. Every single one, smaller or elder. Thank you so much for being here. Lots of gratitude from my heart. All right, let's go back to some time in my life with my personal story. I lost my job during COVID. COVID, okay, yeah. So COVID happened to all of us, right? So in COVID, I lost my job. Of course, it was like a void in my life because I was speechless. What do I do? My dreams shattered. I had a very secure future kind of a thing. We have that in mind, right? But then life happens. Kya kar sakte hai? It's not in our hands, right? So that time I started doing mandala art. And then I had a lot of problems which stuck to me career-wise also because I lost my job and personally also. And when I started doing the mandala art, I never realized that this is not just passion, but something is changing. And when everything started changing, my family, my colleagues, and my friends started looking at me that yes, she's getting back to normal now. I was into a depression mode and so many other things, obviously. And then I saw that this is something magical. And this will help so many people out there, like what it helped me. Do you believe in that? Do you believe in magic, by the way? Yes. Any which ways it happens, we are okay with it, right? Magic should happen. So yes, so mandala magic happened with me, and that was unexpected healing. So today you are seeing me as a certified Mandala stress relief and life coach. So I'm into life coaching also and Mandala art also. And I help all of the people who are really wanting to overcome stress, limiting beliefs, and work-life balance and increasing focus also. What happens is that the age groups differ. So if there are small children, they are also able to focus more with the help of mandalas. If there are bigger, adults, I am not an adult, I am a small child, so like all of you. So yes, it also supports us, right? So that is how we should start believing in something and actually start practicing. So how many of you struggle to quiet your overthinking? Anyone here? To quiet your overthinking, which continuously we just churn it inside our minds. Do you do that? All right. So you are not the only one, my friend. Our minds are constantly racing worried about the past and what is going to happen in the future. Whatever I have planned, is it going to happen? Is my future secured? Do we do that? Yes. All right then. So what I told you here, there is a way to slow down with the mandala art process. So what we are going to do here, we are going to see how mandalas are actually healers, how the tool actually changes us, and the belief system in us, what will happen for us. Are you ready for that? Yes. All right, awesome. So let me share with you how does mandala art work. It calms our mind. I'll tell you what happens. How does it calm our mind? We actually take a pen and paper, okay? Nothing more is needed for this art. Very less investments, unlike other arts. You just need a pen and a paper and you start doing that. What happens here? That our conscious gets disconnected and the internal healing, the unconscious, the subconscious, the art starts working on that. How does it happen? With the patterns and with the disciplined manner, it starts happening. Mandala art started with the Hinduism and Buddhism era. How did it start? The Buddhists actually used to create a mandala, draw it and sit and meditate in front of it. And after the meditation is done, they used to actually destroy that. Now why does that happen? Because we all are going to die one day. Okay, yeah. So everything has an end, right? It's like that. And mandal is the circle, like our universe. So everywhere what we see, suppose we see our eye pupil of our eye, it is circular, but it has distinguished parts in a distinguished way. There is a manner, there is a pattern, correct? If we see sunflower or any flower for that matter, we see definitions, correct? Like that, in mandala also we have defined patterns. So what we do, we start drawing them in a particular manner. And with that drawing, we go into the repetitive phase. Got it? So the brain the conscious gets disconnected and the subconscious starts getting healed. And that way we start getting internally healed. Do you all like the concept or you did not get it? I want to repeat it again if nobody has got it. Oh, awesome. You are an awesome audience. It rewires our limiting beliefs by shifting the focus from negativity to creativity. Now, how does that happen? Similar manner. Once you are into that phase, you are starting to do the art, everything shifts. Negativity shifts to creativity. You start getting solutions for your problems. You start getting relieved from inside for your stress. Everything starts getting relieved. And I am Jeeta Jagta example, I am standing in front of you today. I have got healed completely. I was very bubbly, chirpy, and like that, whatever we all were, right? And I believe that we should have that innocence kept in ourselves, even if we are 100-year-old. Do you believe in that? Do you want that innocence? So you should work on that. Don't start getting elder and bigger in age. कुछ फायदा नहीं है, मान लो मेरी बात. All right. It enhances your clarity and focus also. So it boosts the mindfulness. Okay. It helps us a lot basically. So, like I said, mandal, the circle. It symbolizes wholeness and unity. Okay. Because it's like the universe. It's like our lives. Our life is a circle. Correct. So we are working for that every single day. Similarly, if you work on this also every single day, your life is going to blossom. I say it with a lot of credibility because I have gone through it. Okay, so you can also think about these things. Repetitive patterns are meditative flow of state, which I shared with you right now. We keep on doing the patterns in a systematic manner, and it really helps us. All right, and it is used for centuries in the spiritual and healing practices, which I shared about the Hinduism and the Buddhism. Are you with me? Or lost? You just had coffee, you said. All right. So let's do a simple mandala activity. Are you game for this activity? Yes. All right then, just take your sheet which I have given you. So if you see, there are two beautiful mandalas which I have created for you. Now in this, we are going to do this later on. You all have got a pencil with you? Pen, pencil, pen, paper, blank. We want a blank paper first. I'll just guide you how to do it. Can you see my paper? Blank paper? All right. So, can you read this? Who can read this? Then draw a circle in the center. Draw a circle. Like this, big circle. I am trying to draw a circle because I am seeing it like that. I do not do this way art, okay? I do it this way. So this might not see like a circle. All right? So, a circle you have to draw. Now, just find the midpoint of the circle. Can you all see this midpoint? Everyone? Yes. All right. I'll tell you the way to do it scientifically, but right now we are just doing it rough. Got it? Now what you have to do, just draw a straight line which passes throughout the center. Did you see this? Now just draw a horizontal line also. Create a plus sign, plus, which goes through the center. Once you do that, raise your hand. Amazing. Now we have to draw diagonal lines which passes through the center. Did you do this? Say yes. Yes. Then make more sections between these. This is a rough thing. I'm just giving you an idea how it happens. All right? Yes? Yes. No? Yes. Doing it? Yes. Amazing. So now we have sections which we have created inside the mandala. Inside the circle to create a mandala, right? So our universe also emerges from the center, right? Everything emerges from the center. And it grows like growth mindset. Madhura shared. It should grow, isn't it? So we will start from the center. How do we start? What do we draw? Okay. Anything you can draw. First, we will draw a simple circle here in the center. Color it. Generally. Right now. Done with this? Yes. All right. Now you will just draw a inverted U. Can you see this inverted U? Yes. Yeah. So in these sections, you will start drawing inverted U. Can you see this like a flower? Okay, no, it's okay. Draw a flower. Yeah, all right. So I just want to share with you that we just start creating patterns like this, for which I have already done the work for you. I am such a good girl, isn't it? Yes. So you can just open the worksheets. All right, open this worksheet. Can you see two mandalas, or anyone has got only one? Don't look at the one which you created right now. Open the paper, and these are two mandalas. Can you see two mandalas? Yes. Now this one, which does not have any patterns, I have just created a wireframe for you. You are going to create this at home. or at your rooms today once you go back. Today only. No tomorrow. Yeah, and you will be sending it to Madhura or team or to me. Deal? I want to see beautiful mandalas. And we all are artists. Born artists. Even if we are not artists, we are artists. Yes. All right, now this here, we will be starting to draw right now. Can you see this? I have created already a bunch here of the patterns. Now you can see that how the patterns emerge from the center. Then slowly you will be drawing that. Okay? You don't have to draw the entire mandala now. You will finish it later. You have to just take 2 of these lines or 3 of these lines, like the bunch which I have created. Can you do this? Yes. Awesome. Start that with the pen which you have or the pencil. I will also do it here with you. Yeah. Later. This one, everyone can see this, right? This one you are creating. Yeah. Yes. I'll just show you. See, you can see 2 lines here, correct? This one you have to do. Open this. That one. This one. Okay. I want all of you, any of you, to just share with me your feelings while you did this. Can anybody say that? Yes, please.
Peace and concentration.
Peace and concentration. Okay. So you could actually go inside that and do it.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Focus. Same.
आपसे पानी निकलना स्टार्ट हो गया।
क्या बात है? Why? Why did you feel that?
वो जब कंसंट्रेट करने लगी उसके साथ साथ में जैसे वो बिल्ड हो रहा था, जिस तरह से वो बिल्ड हो रहा था उसके साथ साथ आँख में पानी भर गया था।
Oh, so you could, yes, actually she is able to get out all the negativities. Yes, sir.
It had a calming effect.
Sorry?
It had a calming effect.
It created a calming effect,
Yeah.
exactly. Yes.
Got a realization of a question, like answer of a question I was finding like from long back.
So you got it?
Wow.
Wow, let's clap for
I
her.
think that's the transformation.
Unnati, amazing.
So in my case, I was asking myself like, why am I trying to be so perfect? Like a part of me wanted it to be perfect, but the other part of me just wanted to let go, and I started crying.
Oh my God. What's your name, dear?
Completely in the present.
Is it?
Yes.
How did it help you?
Like mind was not going anywhere. It was completely right now.
Okay.
Yes. I mean, we had to follow each and every pattern has to be like the earlier one, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
it was completely into the present.
Wow. Share
ma'am-
your name first and then.
Rakesh.
Okay, hi Rakesh.
Ma'am, I do Reiki.
Okay.
So when I start initiating Reiki, I feel cool breeze here, like vibrations. So when I'm doing this mandala design, I felt the same.
क्या बात है? Amazing, Rakesh.
So both are healing modalities. So you were healing.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. Anybody else?
I could remember my childhood days where I was doing designing, mehendi. I remembered my childhood.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Your
ma'am.
name, please.
Priyanka Sawant.
Okay, hi Priyanka.
Great का movie देखा? अभी there was a movie in. Okay.
I'm Tasveer here.
Hi Tasveer.
And it was so fun doing this. I really went back to my childhood days and I was like started to like Madhura ma'am said ना कि आज से start करो step लेना. I jumped up the future ki yeah, this is designing my own steps now further.
Awesome.
So next kya? The thing was coming to mind. I was enjoying it. So designing was coming up and I could have completed it yet. If you give me 5 more minutes, I could have done that with a beautiful designing here.
I want to see all your designs.
I will send the pic in the group. Definitely.
Yes, please. For healing us, isn't it? All right. So, how did you feel drawing? You all shared, right? And did your mind slow down while you did this? Did it happen? So, like she actually said, that being in the present, right? And we can exactly connect. Some of us must not be able to connect also, it's okay. But then, once you start giving yourself every single day some minutes, like 10 minutes is also enough. It's not like दिन भर बैठो काम करो फिर घर जाओ. No, you can actually do it for yourself. Just 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes every single day. And the emotions which surfaced are really very important for us, or no? Yes. Important. Thank you. And the clarity and the focus was built. Correct? Most of you. So that's our achievement. Yes. All right. And give just 10 to 20 minutes, like I said you. Every single day you can create your own mandalas. You can also monetize mandalas. I will help you to do that. Healing with mandalas. But then start with actually focusing and creating them as of now. Yes? So Mark Twain said this very beautifully. Can somebody read this? So your purpose. So you're born twice. Once you're born, when you're born. And once when you find the why. You start asking yourself, why? Kyun? You said it right. So, thank you each one of you for showing up today for this healing purpose, for Madhura, even for me. I'm really very, very grateful to say this also. I'm actually getting the shivers on my hand, Madhura. And will you continue this practice?
Yes, sure. Yes.
I want 100%. सुनाई नहीं देता? अच्छा कितने लोग हैं? Those who are saying just for sake of saying? Yes, sure. All right. Let's create more magic, people. Let's create more magic healers. We can do this and we are going to do this. All right? So thank you so much, each one of you, for having me here. Thank you so much, Madhura.
Thank you, Kirti. Thank you
hope
so
you enjoyed
much
this.
for coming up with this mandala art activity for all of us and creating the magic then and there now within few minutes, right? Thank you so much, and we would love to go ahead and show you the token of appreciation for teaching us and making us stress relief within few minutes, right? So I would like to call Madhura's Amma, Arunama, on stage to go ahead and do the honors, please.
Thank you so much.
Guys, come on. Gratitude alunu daridrana. Right? So let's ensure to show the gratitude with a huge round of applause for Kirti. Thank you so much, Kirti. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Right. Now, we are done with Mandala art, where we learned relief with our stress, focus, concentration. I'm sure, few of them went ahead and started getting healed already by when they were writing, right? Taking the step forward. Now, there is one more person sitting in between us. A person who has learned numerous spiritual modalities, having 17 years of experience, who is an internationally certified spiritual master, who has been into teaching industry, who is an MBA graduate and been teaching students in colleges and also helping people like us to go ahead and grow spiritually too with her many healing modalities. However, a profound mystical experience which changed her path after she getting into spiritual modalities. She is going to reveal her life truth in front of us now. So let's go ahead and welcome with a huge round of applause Tara Sachin, who is the example for the success equation. Tara Sachin, a true example for a success equation. Yes, Tara.
So I hope now I'm audible. Yes, thank you so much. So before we begin, I want to salute the divinity in each one of you. Yes, having said that, I want to salute my Guru Ma too. Thank you so much. Today, it is possible for me to speak here in front of such an amazing audience, all because of you, ma'am. Well, I would like to talk about my journey first. Yes. So my journey has been very small journey. Okay. So I'm an MBA graduate, and after my MBA, I got into this noble profession called teaching. For 10 years, I served for most of the biggest B schools of Bengaluru. Okay. And what I was feeling in my teaching career was, this is not sufficient what I'm doing. I think my life has a bigger purpose to serve. This is not something that I'm born for. I always had this feeling that this is not me. This is not me. And then I started discovering myself, because I was very good at extracurricular activities as well. I started helping students for, showcasing their talents in a lot of different activities. Well, even there I was not happy. I tried my hands into acting. I was not happy. I tried my hands into singing. I wasn't happy. Something was wrong, as if, it's not me. This is not me. I was still trying to discover myself. It was that very emptiness that I was facing in my journey. And then, after my marriage, I had a beautiful baby boy. It so happened that one day he was taken away from me. That was one incident which made me to understand how difficult life can be for anybody, especially for a mother, for the first time when she loses her first child, that to a son. In Sanskrit, it's told, Putra Shokam Nirantaram. You carry this grief to your grave. Until then, you'll carry it heavily here, in your heart. Yes? And then, what did I do? I gathered a lot of courage to speak this in front of all of you, because we are all positive people sitting here today, many healers, yeah? But then I need to share this with you so that you all know the truth, yeah? Truth is always bitter. I thought it's very difficult for me going forward, and I don't deserve to live. I should be ending my life. What happened after that? I partially succeeded to end my life. And then, when that happened, literally, I could see my body lying on the floor, and I could see that view from the ceiling, top above. All my loved ones around me trying to wake me up. They took me to hospital. I could see the entire process, you know. I could literally see the entire process, as if my soul was traveling out of the body. And that's today what I understand is out-of-body experience, something very mystical. This is what was so mystical for me, which today has brought me into a profound, you know, spiritual world. And then I could only hear, I could only remember listening to these lines. Your time hasn't come. Your purpose is not served. You have to go back. As if somebody kicked me from above, and then I landed in the ICU. And my mom trying to wake me up, pampering me. And then I opened my eyes. And I could just remember this, that I entered a dimension which is so very higher, beyond human imagination. It's very bright over there. And believe me, these dimensions do exist. It's my experience. Out of my experience, I'm speaking this to you. This is the truth, dear friends, that I experienced in my journey. And then, after which, I started encountering a lot of, you know, divine gurus, spiritual masters in my dreams, and those dreams had a meaning. That's when I understood there is a subject called dream interpretation too. You know, every dream has a meaning to decode. And then I started my journey into spirituality after that, and it never ended. For 17, 18 years, I mastered more than 100 plus spiritual modalities. What after that? I was very happy because you can easily relate with this when I tell you this. Most of us who are into spirituality, we all need grounding, isn't it? Otherwise, we feel as if we are evolving and evolving higher and higher and higher. Somebody needs to drag us down. You know, the gravitational force, if you can relate to, something has to keep us grounded. That's why we all need a family, yeah? Children, spouse, mother, father. They make us understand and realize that there is a worldly life around us, and we still need to exist on this earth. Yes? Yes. Agree with this? Yes. Am I making it very, very emotional and boring for all of you? No. Thank you. Thank you. Relate, connect. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for saying that. Now, so we need a family to remind us that we have a worldly life around here on this earth. And there is a purpose for all of us. Until we realize our true purpose in life, we will be just wandering like nomads in life. I felt until I met Madhura ma'am, even though I have learned from best of the best gurus, to name a few, Sadhguruji, Sri Ravi Shankar Guruji, many others, yeah? Many masters, internationally renowned masters. But then, what was missing, that I was told there, your purpose is not served. Wherever I used to go wander like a nomad, I used to come back to the same point, yeah? And this angel, my mother, in one of the lifetimes, definitely she was my mother, okay? Because I've seen it in one of my past lives. She had to come, intervene in my life to open this path for me with a program called Super Healers, okay? And how did I meet ma'am? As we all do, we keep swiping through reels and a lot of messages on internet, Google. I once came across ma'am's ad on angel healing. Angel herself had come up with a course called Angel Healing. Then I felt, okay, let me enroll into this course because her smile was so infectious. Her aura is so infectious. Yes. And then I enrolled into Angel Healing. After that, I never stopped. Whatever course ma'am used to introduce, I used to be the first person to enroll. I had told this to ma'am and I have kept up to my words. Okay? And I started learning all her courses. It was so different. It is not like I had to learn something new from ma'am. It was something that I had learned before, but the way she used to present herself with that conviction, with that courage, you know, that is something which motivated me. And I started looking up to her, thinking one day I should become like Madhura ma'am. One day I should be a, you know, superb coach I should motivate people, transform lives. That is the achievement, that is the life's purpose that I am born for. I understood through that program called Super Healers. Thank you so much, ma'am. You have made my life. And I'll give you proof what happened after that. So, even though I had that experience of acting in TV serials, okay, but I never knew how to talk on camera, the camera angle, yeah, because when we act, we have people around us to direct us, support us. Even here, through the program called Super Healers, ma'am was always there to guide us, but I was so bad. The ceiling, the view, the ceiling should not be visible. Ma'am always used to say this, there should be proper lighting, proper sound, and then if you have that confidence, you are speaking something that has a, a power or a strength, that's enough. Go ahead, you can do it. You do mistakes, that's fine, do it. And I started making videos. And then ma'am took an oath, as all the doctors, lawyers, and big people take oaths. Ma'am made us take an oath on the program itself saying, I will do whatever it takes to make a super healer. Yes? Come on, say it. She made us say this multiple times. I told it so seriously. भले मुझे कितने पापड़ बेलने पड़े, मैंने बेले अपने जर्नी में. I never gave up because promise किया था. I will do whatever it takes to be a super healer. चलो भाई, need to prove that we are born for this. We have that potential in us. And then the journey started with a course called the Path to Ascension, which was not easy, ma'am, which was definitely not easy. I'll tell you, ascension is a very strong subject. Something called as moksha, nirvana in Hinduism, yeah? About ascension in the entire world, there are only 2 people who teach. And I'm proud to say, ma'am, today it's only me and Michelle in US, Florida, who teaches ascension. Nobody dares to teach it virtually. We have come with something very, very unique, which we have tried to put it across to people, and we speak about this, profound wisdom of spirituality called ascension. Okay, somebody who has lived herself as a ascended master, if you know her, Kuan Yin, yes, and in some of the countries they call her Tara too. I'm Tara, so I was born to learn this. I had to do this. And then the journey started with Path to Ascension. The first webinar had some 25 inquiries, and I closed almost 15 of them. Which was a small start into the journey as a spiritual coach. But there was something very amazing if I go back. When I was in this journey of super healers itself, I'll tell you how powerful ma'am's energy, ma'am's courses are. I'm not faking anything here. It is true. Okay? So in that journey, what happened? I used to feel, okay, I have learned so much. Now I need to start monetizing on this, whatever I have learned. Yes? Yes, people? But the problem was you will be able to relate to this too. It's not good for us being spiritual healers to receive money for our services. We have to give it in kind. What if they don't have such sufficient money to pay us? How many of you feel this? But this was what? A poor mindset, isn't it? A blockage in our path. We had to remove that, which we did it through ma'am's course called Heal Yourself. And then after that, ma'am put me into certain situations as if I was joining all the dots to make a nice mandala. Okay? Then everything was like ready for me, as if it was all destined, prepared for me, set. Then we went one more step forward. Ma'am had asked us to do it that way, step by step. Start small, then, one step forward with little much bigger. I had kept this in my mind, but I never thought in the journey itself that will be manifested for me. I used to feel, you give healing. As on a friendly note, they'll take your healing and they'll say, thank you so much. We will also bless you. We'll bless your family. That's it, what I used to get in return until then, until I was into super healers. during the super healers itself, I have shared this with many of my friends too. One of the persons just randomly called me and told she's into a big problem, especially she and her daughter. And then I started healing them. In the journey, 3 months they were with me. One morning, I was very tired that morning, and I was little low, as we all go through those phases in life. Even though we are spiritual healers, we too are human beings, and we are more vulnerable to such emotions at times. That lady called me, told me, Tara, thank you for bringing this smile on my face, on my daughter's face. My daughter is so happy today, all because of you. And I am transferring the first remuneration for all that you have taught me and my daughter. But, okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. I thought she will pay me what? 10,000, 15,000, max to max, 25,000. Yes, people? Any guesses, any random guesses how much she paid me? 2,50,000. That was my first remuneration that I collected during my super healer journey. One more thing. I manifested, a property in my name during that journey. Because of the energy, how much dedicated you are, how much you are disciplined, you are consistent in your practices, in your conviction to achieve what you want to. Yeah? And then Path to Ascension happened, after which I came up with a program called Interdimensional Mapping. Yeah, because that is my life's experience. I have traveled, I have reached a dimension, yeah, and I had some experiences, mystical experiences to share. So out of which I created a course called Interdimensional Mapping. In that course, the first inquiry that I received were 650 inquiries, ma'am, out of which 250 people came on the day 1, 100 stayed till the 3rd day, and the first collection of my first big workshop, 3 days workshop, is 3,96,000 people. Yes, it is. After which, I have never looked back. In 3 months, I have made 16 to 17 lakh rupee in hand. Yeah, it's all possible because of Madhura ma'am. With ma'am, anything is possible, let me tell you. Yeah. So this is my journey, I hope. And the name I kept for my presentation also was like Tara Sachin's success equation. So that equation has to be given to all of you. Yeah? It is this. D plus D is equal to A. AB, actually. What is D? Dream. First thing, you have to dream. Plus, do. Yeah? If we dream, we will have to do. Do in the sense, with dare. Yeah? And then, AB, we will achieve big in life. There's no looking back after that. Yeah, this is not A plus B whole square is equal to all that. Not that algebra one. But this is something that I have come up with. And I had told this also in my morning magic rituals, if I remember, ma'am. That was my first webinar, which I gave with a lot of confidence. Only as long as you walk can you go. Only as high as you reach can you grow. Only as deep as you look can you see. Only as much as you all dream can you be. Having said this, I finish my speech here. Hope it has given you a lot of, insight on how to take up life seriously to achieve your life's purpose. And yes, we all are lucky that we have her as our mentor. With her, anything is possible. So just don't have hesitations. Just one step forward and you can achieve it. That's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow.
First of all, thank you for coming into my life. Thank you, ma'am. People like these make my day, make my life, I would say, because when she said first time that, ma'am, I want to share something with you, but I hope you don't think it's something fakey, that I'm just trying to make you happy or just trying to tell you something, but you came in my dream. I said, wow, that's nice. I do believe this, but you came as a mom, and maybe in some lifetime you are my mom. So, there's some connection between me and you, ma'am. So I hope you believe this. This is not faking. I said, of course I do. And then she just said that, I'm so happy I took this course, and I'm not going to look back. I'm going to continuously be the first one to buy your course. I want to tell you all, she was the first one to buy my tickets too for this event. So thank you for being there, because you guys, each one of you, make my life beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
I know most of you are in a dreamy journey, if I could call it, right? So I'm sure most of you are floating in each and everything, whatever you heard from her, correct? Yes? Baat karo. Yes. Now, imagine if... Okay. Now, how many of you say the mentor who's been mentoring you for many days or months or years, you are the blessed one to have such a mentor in your life? How many of you agree with this? Yes? Yes, totally. Okay. How many of you think she is the bundle of joy, she is the bundle of energy, she is the bundle of shift of transformational energy into your life, which God blessed you? Yes? Yes? Now, a person who herself is a bundle of excitement, enjoyment, joy, bliss, solitude, transformational energy, who has been transforming so many lives, right? What if I say our mentor, Madhura Girish's mentor is here? Yes, see, I know, I could see the faces. Oh, wow, is it? Imagine how much energy she carries, how many lives she has transformed. I need not have to say, because I would like to call Madhura on stage to go ahead and introduce our mentor's mentor to us. Welcome, Asha ma'am. Please, we welcome you guys. Please stand up and give her the round of applause. With all due respect,
8 years back, I was going through a very, very low phase of mine when I met my angel. When I met my angel, and I said, what do you do? She said, I'm a Reiki master. So I said, what is Reiki? She said, it's energy healing. I said, do you teach? I want to know more. She said, yes. I said, when can I learn? She said, come tomorrow. And I went the very next day, and she started teaching me healing. And from there, there's a saying which says, when there's a crack, light enters. I had a crack, light entered. So I would just say, thank you so much for coming into my life. And I always introduce her as, I have one mama and second mama also, because she's always there to tell her every single day, ma'am, aisa ho gaya, waisa ho gaya, aisa ho gaya, ho gaya. And she's there all the time to support.
What are you telling?
No, you say that.
एक डायलॉग है मधुरा के लिए, वो विजयनगर जहाँ मधुरा रहती है, मीन्स मधुरा को लोग विजयनगर को, मतलब मधुरा के नाम से लोग विजयनगर को जानते, क्योंकि हम लोग नेबर्स से पास में रहते थे. So always we have that dialogue for her.
Ma'am, I want to take this minute to honor you. Please have your seat, ma'am.
ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसे ही हुआ है, बहुत कुछ अप डाउन भी हुआ है, उनके साथ भी मेरे साथ भी, दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए हमेशा खड़े हैं.
Thank you so much for entering Madhura's life, and
Good afternoon. It is truly an honor to stand before you, this incredible community of seekers, healers, and believers. As Asha Reiki Healing Center, we are committed to help you bring out the best in whatever you do, guiding you toward self-discovery, empowerment, and deep healing. My word is deep healing for everything. Healing is not just about overcoming challenges. It is about aligning your chakras, awakening the subconscious, and embracing powerful modalities that elevate your life to the highest quality standard. The meaning of highest quality standard, that 18 points, whatever the Madhura has taught, give away, abundance and all this. So it's very important in our life when we are healer. When you tune into the right energy, life becomes more attractive and effortless, flowing with ease and abundance. Do you believe that when you connected with Madhura ma'am, you feel that, you believe that, everybody? Good, good. One of this guiding nutrition, and she is beacon of knowledge and transformation. She is gold medalist in English literature. So wherever and whenever we meet her, she will put all her gold glitter in everybody. And she touches with gold, so you will become a gold. So thank you so much for just good respect. Not only this platform, she will come to the international platform also. I'll see you soon.
Thank you so much. Bless me for that.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here, present with us, right? Thank you for introducing Madhura to this particular energy field, or otherwise, definitely we wouldn't have been blessed with gaining her knowledge and her energy in our life. Agree? So let's have a huge round of thunderous applause for our mentor's mentor and also to our mentor. Yes. Now, how many of you from morning has been seeing the shift in your energy? Yes? Okay. What's the shift? What's happening?
Feeling more positive.
Feeling more positive. Wow. What's the shift?
Feeling more energetic and all the negativities are being removed.
Feeling more energetic and all the negative is being removed.
Yeah, so for me, it is like the entire group energy of healers. So it's like a huge upgrade together.
Entire energy of healer's energy, the huge upgradation in the shift in energy. Yes, ma'am.
Here I would say I'm not even thinking of anything. I'm just here.
Wow, 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 wow.
No other thought. I just realized when you asked how you are feeling, I felt like, no, since I sat here, there is no thought. I'm thoughtless.
Yes, please. It's a wow magical energy. I'm not remembering my children back home, not even my husband. I never saw the message of my husband also yet. I want to be in this moment, I'm enjoying it.
Because I think it has not happened since long. Like you are somewhere for 2-3 hours and you are not thinking about home, you are not thinking about, mind didn't go anywhere. Then I thought, what do I tell? Okay, I thought, let me tell this. There is no thought.
Wow. Having no thought. Guys, can you imagine such a bliss moment it is? Indeed. Yes? Yes.
Yes, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to say something. Actually, I am here from Northeast Assam, Guwahati, and my mom is bedridden right now. But still, I taking the last moment action, and I am here. It's like my mom is there with one small girl, like keeping her to take care of her. And then what's the best magical stuff happening with me when we're doing the goosebumps is there. It's Angel is here, I know. And what happening, my sister sending me messages that I got a job. And that when I doing just before the money meditation, right? And she got the job after 3 years because she was pregnant, she have a kid, and she not doing anything, and just today, she just before some moments, she got the job, right? What the magical vibe in here only because of Madhura ma'am, right? Thank you so much.
Thank you. Madhura, you should listen to this. She said something, Just now she got a message when she was doing the manifestation. Her sister got a job. Now she got a call, right? Yeah, right. See, that's called the true transformation, the true manifestation. True magical transformation.
Thank you so much, Madhura ma'am. And thank you all, a pure healer is here. Thank you so much.
Wow, more power to you, dear. Yes, please.
Hello, everybody. This is an amazing set of people here with the kind of energies that is there here. We can actually feel, I can relate to what ma'am was telling, like no other thoughts, no other problems, nothing that is actually bothering us. Whatever from outside this room is entering here. Here we are talking only about the energy, spirituality, and more than anything else, what we are talking about here is how you need to heal yourself, take action, get going, and do things that you want to do in your life. So that is a kind of energy shifts, if you can say so. That is what is happening here. I'm sure every one of us relate to this kind of an experience here. The one word that I can say here, or one phrase that I can say is, I myself sitting here are getting answers to my the previous queries where I was not getting some answers, or I'm finding a path or a route what I am supposed to take. The whys, the WHY, what I'm saying, is getting answered here. Rather than getting answered, we are getting clarity as what we need to do. So wonderful. I mean, I should say thanks to Madhura for inviting me here. Of course, I am not a her student or anything. I have come here as a friend, but I am regretting why I'm not her student yet.
You need not have to regret. You need not have to regret. Please come to me. Yet. Let me tell you, you're not here, just like that. It was destined to be that you are here, right? So that you can go ahead and walk the journey as the same of all the healers over here. Yes or no? Yes. More power to you, dear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, please.
Thank you so much. Well, I would like to share many things. First of all, I would like to share this is the dream event. I have dreamt about this event. To be here, I have been traveling from Pune. My name is Kritika. Hello, healers, and a lot of namaskaram to Madhura ma'am. She is my dream, okay? To see her, to meet her from the internet altogether. When we see, just like Kamakhya, I have been to Kamakhya recently. That was my dream. My second dream is ma'am. And with the blessing of divine energy and Ma Kamakhya, I'm here to meet her. And I'm really blessed. Secondly, the very important thing, I have resigned my job and I'm here just to meet her. Because, yeah, of course. And I'm very grateful because universe has taken a lot of challenges, a lot of exams I've given to the universe itself. And I left the job to be here because they were not giving me leaves, That's the reason I left my job, and I know it is gonna be my healing in future. I'll be doing this, and just like ma'am, for me, if you ask me what I'm feeling now, I'm very much attached to ma'am because she has done Reiki, and I have done it too from my different Reiki ma'am, of course, but I could relate it in the same way. The way you started your journey, I started my journey from the Reiki, and remaining modalities I would be learning from my ma'am. So yeah, I could relate that. So it's a very, very big day, ma'am. Thank you so much for making my dream come true. Thank you.
Thank you. I could see the energy. I could see the frequency, the vibration she is vibrating at. Literally, we would call the waves. It's just passing. Yes. I'm here. Right? Thank you so much. And I know you're not worrying though, but still, it's the right decision you have taken to quit and be here. right? So I'm sure you will not be regretting it at all in your life, right? Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Anybody else? Yes?
Yeah, hi, I'm Priyanka Sawant. I actually came from Maharashtra, Kolhapur. It's the same I manifested in the month of October, that I want to have some award. And from nowhere, I got a call from the team, and I was super excited because my guru, actually, they have lot of events. They actually received the award, and it was just a manifestation, literally. I was not knowing Madhura ma'am, nothing, from nowhere, like an angel, she came, entered my life. I still have the goosebumps. I am really, really thankful, ma'am, for entering my life. It was actually a dream, manifestation, and I can feel it. This was the vibration, feeling. I was actually doing it every day. So when I got it, that I am eligible and I'm receiving the award, I said, yes, my dream is coming true. Everybody can do the manifestation. Everybody can have the dreams come true, and they can live the life. With such a beautiful angel with us, actually we should be blessed. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
When you say manifestation, the only dialogue which comes to my mind is Shah Rukh Khan. इतनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि
कोशिश की है मिलाने की. Hello everyone, I'm Dulika from Pune. Actually, अनु को मैं जानती हूँ. अनु ने तो मेरा ज़बरदस्ती फ़ोन कर करके सुपर हीलर जब तक मैंने बुक नहीं किया तब तक उनको भी शांति नहीं थी, एंड मरियम को भी. एंड आई वॉज नॉट वेल, मुझे विटामिन की डेफिशिएंसी हुई थी, एंड आई वॉज टोटली ऑन बेड आफ्टर दिवाली. सो थैंक यू अनु, एंड थैंक यू मधुरा मैम. सो यहाँ शेयर करने की बात अगर करें कि अभी करंट की फीलिंग क्या है, सो आई एम कैरिंग 2 मोबाइल्स, बट मैं देख भी नहीं रही हूँ कि हस्बैंड का क्या मैसेज है या बेटी का क्या मैसेज है. सिर्फ फ़ोटो सेंड कर रही हूँ. एंड सेकेंडली, आई एम बिलोंगिंग फ्रॉम जबलपुर. एक्चुअली आप लोगों ने सुना होगा मार्बल रॉक्स. सो वहाँ का मतलब माइंडसेट थोड़ा अभी उतना नहीं है. सो प्रीवियसली जो भी ये जानता था कि ये हीलिंग में है, या जब भी मैं जाती हूँ और ये सब ब्रेसलेट्स पहनती हूँ, सो उनकी सोच होती है ये कुछ टोना टोटका करती है, काइंड ऑफ टोना टोटका. बट जब भी उनको ज़रूरत पड़ती है, सो वो बोलते हैं कि उसको पूछो, उसको पता होगा. मैंने कहा व्हेन आई एम डूइंग टोना टोटका, तो फिर क्यों मुझसे पूछ रहे हो. तो एक कोर्स मैंने मैम का लिया था 23 में, वो मैंने किया था थीटा का. और उसके बाद लाइक जो छोटा बच्चा होता है इधर उधर भटक जाता है, तो कहते हैं ना आप लोग में इंग्लिश में, मैं तो कोई इतनी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं आती, एज इज़ जस्ट अ नंबर, है ना. सो मधुरा मैम वैसे देखा जाए तो वो है, बट चूँकि मैं अब उनकी शिष्या हूँ, सो उनसे मैं वापस मिल के आई, भटक के पिछले मतलब कोविड के टाइम से लेके अभी तक भटक के अल्टीमेटली आ ही गई. ठीक है. सो वो हुआ. एंड जो चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि उनका जो ऑरा है, वेन एवर आई एम डूइंग द कोर्स, मेरे इन लॉज जबलपुर में ही रहते हैं, वो अभी आए, मैम को पता है 24 को वो आए हैं. और जब भी मैं उनका वीडियोज़ वगैरह देखती हूँ ना, वो ऐसे आके झाँक के देखते हैं व्हाट शी इज़ डूइंग. तो मैंने बोला कि ये मेरी मेंटर हैं. ये मेंटर हैं? मैंने कहा हाँ. अब मम्मी को समझाना पड़ा मेंटर यानी गुरु. तो गुरु ऐसे होते हैं. मैंने कहा आजकल के गुरु ऐसे ही होते हैं, उनके पास नॉलेज बहुत होती है. गुरु हैं इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी कि भगवा पहन के और हिमालय चले जाएंगे. लेकिन मैं बताना चाहती हूँ आपको कि ऑरा इतना पॉजिटिव. मैंने आज फ़ोटो दिखाई है उनको जब मैं कल आ रही थी कैब से. तो बट ऑब्वियस हस्बैंड का एक काम होता है ना, कैरी करना आपका सूटकेस और आपको ड्रॉप करना. भाई जाओ शांति से, हम 4 दिन रहेंगे, है ना. सो नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ. उन्होंने ही मुझे पुश किया कि नहीं तुम अब अपना पैशन फॉलो करो. एल्स मैं 22 साल तक एज ए संस्कृत HOD CBSE और ICSE स्कूल्स में रही हूँ. एंड रिसेंटली भी मुझे यूरो से बहुत ऑफर्स आ रहे हैं, सैलरी व्हाट यू वांट करो, पर आ जाओ एज ए HOD हिंदी. मैंने कहा नहीं, छोड़ेंगे ना हम तेरा साथ. तो मेरे हस्बैंड ने बोला, मेरी बेटी ने बोला नहीं जस्ट फॉलो योर पैशन, बहुत हो गया अब. सो उन्होंने चेंजेस देखे. जो चेंज मैं आपको बताना चाह रही हूँ, वैसे आई एम द पर्सन माइक मिल जाए तो छोड़ती नहीं हूँ. तो सो ऑरा मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि वो लोग 2 दिन से मेरे साथ थे. ठीक है, उनको मेरे ऐसे ड्रेसअप से प्रॉब्लम होगा, मम्मी ने ऐसे देखा ये पैक कर रही है, पापा जी ने बोला जाने दो, जो है जाने दो, ये औरा, ठीक है। सेकेंडली जब मेरे हस्बैंड सूटकेस लेके नीचे आ रहे थे, सो ही टोल्ड मी मैं तुम्हें ड्रॉप करता हूँ। मैंने कहा ठीक है। पापा जी
Vidulika, 30 seconds left.
बस
Please
1
don't
मिनट,
mind.
मतलब सॉरी 30 सेकंड, 10 सेकंड। सो मेरे पापा जी बोलते हम चले तुम्हें छोड़ने नीचे। मैंने कहा बिल्कुल। देन मेरे मदर इन लॉ भी आ गई, और जब वो नीचे आए तो मेरे पापा जी ने मुझे आशीर्वाद दिया, विजयी भव, उन्नति करो, तरक्की करो। सो दैट इज द ऑरा, दैट इज द ऑरा जो मेरा नहीं, मेरी मेंटर का भी है।
यस,
उसी ने ये सारे चेंजेस लाए, वरना आई वॉज तो जादू टोना वाली। सो ये ऑरा है कि आपके बुजुर्ग आपको खुद एनकरेज करते, फैमिली मेंबर्स तो करते हैं। एंड सॉरी माइक मिल जाता तो छोड़ती
पता है मुझे।
Thank you everyone.
We all are that. Not to worry, right? Thank you so much for everyone who shared their experience. Now we are here to not only share the energy but also to enhance our energy, to go ahead and increase our vibration, increase our frequency. So we do have a wonderful energy shifting activity for all of you now. Right. So we have 2 crystal deck box over here, right? So as and when the music starts, this will be passed one by one, right? So the moment the music stops, who holds this, right? I'll continue later once the person has it. Okay? Right? So shall we start? Some music ready now? Yes. Yes, Tara. Yes. Hold. Ready? Yes. Start passing. The music is on. Next. Next. Pass on to the next table. It's a crystal deck. So the energy, even when it is passing, is actually passing to you too. Yes. Woo. Yes. Next. That's it. There's a Osho Zen tarot over here and there's a crystal deck tarot. So please go ahead. Start passing. Yes. Next. Okay, you can go. Give it back. You can give it back. Okay, hold. Who has it? Prabha. Oh, hi. I have spoken to you earlier, but you have not seen me though. Hi, Prabha. And there it is, Mr. Dhanush. Okay. Prabha and Dhanush holds the deck over here. They are the lucky ones because they are going to help us with an affirmation. Alright? So let's make it a customized affirmation for their life. So go ahead with any affirmation you want at this point in time to manifest. So it's an intent what you're doing, right? So Prabha, shall we start? Okay, you can tell it on your own. Any affirmation which you like. Not open it. Any affirmation. See, you're intending, right? There is an intent. You're sowing the seed for your dream come true. So there is an affirmation which you're affirming now in front of so many healers.
Okay. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly.
All of us, money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Thank you so much, Prabha. Thank you. Dhanush.
Everything I do will impact the world positively.
Wow. Everything I do will impact the world positively. Everything I do will impact the world positively. Everything I do will impact the world positively. Thank you so much, Prabha. Thank you so much, Dhanush. Now, the game continues. Right? Who has the deck? Yes. Music on! Pass it on. Pass it on. Congratulations, Danush. Congratulations, Prabha. Yes, 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 yes. Who's next? Who is next? Pass it on, pass it on, pass it on, pass it on.
Tonight, we got our friends out there. I'm going to dance with them.
Pass it on, pass it on. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, who has it here? Please stand up. Your name?
Ira Stream. Ira Stream.
Ira Stream. Okay. Yes, please.
Unnati.
Unnati. Ira Stream. Unnati. By the way, what's the meaning of your name, Ira?
It's a divine Mahalakshmi. Meaning of Ira Stream is a Mahalakshmi.
Wow.
Progress.
Right? So, we would like to hear affirmations from you both.
एफर्मेशन बोलने से पहले एक चीज़ बताती हूँ. मनी रेकी मैम से लिया हुआ है. आई जस्ट ड्रू फर्स्ट सिंबल ऑफ मनी रेकी, दैट वाज अ डॉलर साइन एंड आई मैनिफेस्टेड मुझे ये कार्ड चाहिए. एंड रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो एफर्मेशन है उसको प्लीज़ मेरे लिए बोलिएगा, क्योंकि फ्रॉम पास्ट 3 years I'm manifesting a baby in my life and I'm not able to have it. So it is yet to happen, and just bless me with that. So my affirmation is, I am having a healthy baby.
Unnati is having a healthy baby. Unnati is having 1 minute. Yes, yes. Congratulations, Unnati, for having a healthy baby. Congratulations, Unnati, for delivering a healthy baby.
I'm joining Unnati. I'm also manifesting baby. So please congratulate and bless and give me all the energy. Lepakshi.
Okay, Lepakshi. Congratulations, Lepakshi. Congratulations, Unnati, for delivering a healthy baby. It's such a beautiful baby. Congratulations, Unnati. Congratulations for delivering a happy baby, a healthy baby, right? Thank you so much, and God bless you both. Definitely, you are already having a healthy baby. You manifested it. Yes, congratulations. Yes, Ira.
I'm strong. I'm powerful.
I'm strong. I'm powerful. I'm strong. I'm powerful. I'm strong. I'm powerful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ira. And the game continues. Pass it on, pass it on. Pass it, pass it, pass it, pass it. Next one, please. Next one, please. Next one, please. Pass it on, pass it on, pass it on. Yes, 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 yes. The next one, the next one, the next one. 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 Yes, 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 yes. Sir, Prabha. Continue, continue, continue. Next. Pass it on, pass it on, pass it back, pass it back, pass it back, pass it back. The next one, 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 the next one. Faster, 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 faster. Ooh, okay. Yes, who has it? Oh, pellet. Okay, up. Okay, like it's her. Okay, but she didn't give. Yeah. All right. Okay. So, your name?
Amulya.
Amulya.
Maunika.
Maunika. Amulya and Maunika has manifested the card. Yes? Okay. So, let's hear the affirmation from them.
I am aligned to the universe.
Wow. I am aligned to the universe. I am aligned to the universe. I am aligned to the universe. Thank you so much, Amulya. Yes, Monica.
I create my own destiny.
I create my own destiny. I create my own destiny. I create my own destiny. Thank you so much, Amulya. Thank you so much, Monica. Now, I think we are done with this activity though. Right. What's the time? What's the time? Sorry? 1:16. Right. So, yes, we'll go ahead. Now, we did have the activity, right, where we could see a lot of energy shift. How about experiencing the space which is made for it so that you could experience, right? So I would request all of you, one by one, take your time, no hurry. We still have another 10 to 12 minutes. In those minutes, please experience the sacred energy space which has been arranged. At the last, over there you see, right? All the chakras. Yes? Please go there, experience it one by one. The concerned people, the volunteers, I would request all of you to please go there and explain each and every energy transformation box, I would say, right? Please go there, start standing there. All the volunteers who are the respectable 7 chakra volunteers, I would request you to stand there near the respective chakras, also the angel spaces. Whoever has made this for all of us to experience, I would request them to go stand there so that all of us could experience that magical, mystical space. Yes, please. One by one. Start going, start experiencing. Have a look one by one. Start taking a look on anything and everything you see over there, right? Try to connect with that and come back and please have your seat once you're done with it. Our Guru wants us to go ahead and experience it, and after that, you can go ahead and have your lunch once it is ready over here, right? I would request everybody to go to the space one by one, experience each and everything which is being arranged mainly for you.